Hey guys, my name is Tarun and today we are covering Chhatarpur Temple. The Chhatarpur Temple is officially Sri Adya Katyayani Shakti Peetham is a Hindu temple dedicated to the goddess Katyayani. The entire complex of the temple is spread over a wide area of 28 hectares, 70 acres. It is located in Chhatarpur. The nearest metro station is Chhatarpur on the south eastern outskirts of the New Delhi. It is the second largest temple in the Delhi after the Akshardham temple. This temple is constructed from marble and on all of the facets there is a jali perforated stone or latticed screen work. It can be classified a Vasara style of architecture. And now I am going to tell you the main temple Gopura. The main deity of the temple is goddess Katyani, who is a part of Navadurga, the nine forms of Hindu goddess Durga or Shakti worshipped during the Navratri celebration. Now I am telling you the birth of the temple. The temple was established in 1974 by Baba Sant Nagpal ji, who died in 1998. His Samadhi shrine lies in the premises of the Shiv Gauri Nageshwar Mandir within the temple complex. Now let's just talk about the surrounding of the area. The surrounding are an important biodiversity area within the Northeast Aravali Leopard Wildlife Corridor stretching from Sariska Tiger Reserve to Delhi. Historical place around the century are Badkal Lake 6 km northeast, 10th century ancient Surajkund Reservoir and Anangpur Dam, Damdama Lake, Tughlakabad Fort. It is contiguous to the seasonal waterfalls in Pali, Duajkot village of Faridabad, the sacred Mangar Bani and the Asola Bhati Wildlife Sanctuary. There are several dozen lakes formed in the abundant open pit mines in the forested hilly area of Delhi. A side shrine within the main temple house a shrine of Golden Katyani Durga, which opens only during the biennial Navratri season when thousands of people throng the premises of darshan. One nearby room has been made as living room with tables and chairs made in silver, and another regarded as the Shayan Kaksha bedroom, where a bed, dressing table, and a table are carved in silver. This shrine opens a large satsang or prayer hall where religious discourses and bhajans, religious songs, are held. At the entrance to the main temple stands an old tree where devotees tie holy threads for wish fulfillment. And now I am going to tell you the architecture of the temple. The temple has white marble, intricate jali work, magnificent sculpture, golden doors and arches, massive courtyard. And now I am going to tell you the main deities and their important temple. Number 1, Katyani Temple. At the heart of the complex lies the Katyani Temple, the main shrine dedicated to the sixth form of goddess Durga. The ideal of Ma Katyani is powerful, radiant, and worship, especially during Navratri. Number 2, Baba Nagpal Temple. A divine chamber holds the Samadhi of Baba Nagpal ji, visited by thousands seeking blessing and peace. Number 3, Durga Temple and Saraswati Temple. The complex house beautifully built temple dedicated to Durga Ma Saraswati and several other goddesses, each offering a unique aura of devotion. Number 4, Shiv Temple. A breathtaking Shiv Mandir with a towering Shiva statue adds a serene energy to the complex. Devotees offers prayer, water, and meditation in silence. Number 5, Ram Hanuman Temple. Separate temple dedicated to Sri Ram, Sita and Hanumanji add to the spiritual diversity of the complex. Now let's come to the special features of the complex. Number 1. Giant Hanuman Murti. The enormous statue of Lord Hanuman is one of the most iconic features. The height of the Murti is 101 feet. Number 2. Maa Katyani's 20 feet idol special darshan hall. A colossal idol of Maa Katyani is unveiled only during Navratri, attracting massive crowd. Number 3. Langar and community service. The temple also runs a langar hall, medical facilities and social service founded on Baba Nagpal ji teaching of charity and humanity. And now let's come to that point where we are talking about Navratri at Chhatarpur Mandir. If there is one time when Chhatarpur temple transforms into a heavenly spectacle, it is during Navratri. Lakhs of devotees visit these acres of pure devotion to worship Ma Katyani. Stalls, lights, chants, and grant darshan. Everything feels divine and electrifying. Now let's just talk about the spiritual significance. Chhatarpur temple is not just a tourist attraction, it is a place where people find peace, clarity, and hope. Whether you seek blessing for exam, marriage, health, or simply peace of mind, devotees believe Ma Katyani listens to every prayer here. The Chhatarpur Mandir is not just made of marble and architecture, it is made of faith, of devotion, of saints' vision, and millions of prayers whispered in silence. When you visit this temple, you do not just see history, you feel it. If you like this video, do like, share, and comment, and let me know that you want this type of videos more in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.